This anime-style channel has around 256,000 subscribers with only 525 videos. If we talk specifically about its content, this channel uploads simple animated cartoon anime-style videos. In these videos, the creator mainly explains which characters are in the scene, what they are doing, and what is happening in the story. The style is simple, clean, and easy to watch. Now, if you look closely at the shorts section, you'll notice something interesting. Many shorts only have around 1,000 views, but at the same time, several shorts have reached millions of views. Now, if we talk about actual estimates according to Social Blade, this channel earns between $670 to $11,000 per month. That means up to $11,000 every month, and that too in dollars. If we talk yearly, the estimated earnings range from $43,000 to $693,000 per year. Now guys, let me show you a video that I personally created. This video was created using free AI tools. And today, we are going to use 2 free AI video generators plus a free AI image generator, so don't skip this video. Let's move to the process. First, you need to go to the document file. As always, I will provide you with the prompts. Inside this prompt, I have already added all the details, including how the characters should look, what kind of scenes should be created, how many characters are needed, how many image prompts are required, how many video prompts are required, the style, YouTube style trending anime style super clean professional style. Whether the scene should be bright morning light or glow lighting, everything is already included inside the prompt. You simply need to copy the prompt. After copying, go to ChatGPT log into ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, simply click on Generate. ChatGPT will first generate 4 characters that we will use across all images. These will be consistent anime-style characters. After that, ChatGPT will generate 10 ultra-wide image prompts that we will use to create our images, and it will also generate 10 matching video prompts that we will later use to convert those images into videos. So now our image prompts, video prompts, character prompts are fully ready. Next step is image generation. Now let's move to image generation. Today, the free tool we are using is called Whisk AI. Whisk AI is a free AI platform where you can generate unlimited AI images. As you can see, its interface looks very clean and nice. First, log in using your Google ID. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy all the character prompts. After copying them, come back to Whisk AI and paste them there. Then again, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into Whisk AI. After that, select the image ratio, 9:16 ratio. Then simply click Generate. Now you can see our first image is ready. It looks amazing, super clean, and very nice. The style is fully consistent, and if you check the character details, it matches exactly the anime style we wanted. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the second image prompt. Paste it in the same place where you pasted the first prompt. Click Generate. Now the second image is ready. The best part about Whisk AI is that it only takes around 10 seconds to generate an image, and it allows unlimited free image generation. Now let's move to the next image. Again, go to ChatGPT and copy the third image prompt. Paste it into Whisk AI and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the third image will be ready. As you can see, it looks super amazing and very nice. Now follow the same process for all remaining images. Generate the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th images in the same way. Copy the prompt. Paste into Whisk AI. Click Generate. Once all images are generated, simply download them. And now we are ready to move to the next step. Now guys, our next step is video generation. Today, we are going to use 2 free AI video generators. So make sure you do not skip this part of the video. The tool we will use to generate videos is called Digen AI. Digen AI is a free AI platform. When you log in for the first time, Digen AI gives you 300 free credits. And on top of that, it keeps adding 100 plus free credits daily. So every single day, you receive 100 free credits automatically. If we talk about the interface, it looks very beautiful, clean, and professional. Now let me show you the process. After logging in, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon and upload your first image. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt. Then come back to Digen AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. After pasting, select your model. You can choose any model. For example, I selected Real Motion, then choose the duration and quality settings. After that, click on Generate. Now your first video generation will start. I will show you all the final results at the end. First, let me generate all the videos. Now for the second video, upload the second image. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, come back to Digen AI and paste it. Select the model, choose duration and quality, and click Generate. Now the second generation has started. The same process applies to the third video. But remember, Digen AI can generate only 2 videos at a time. If you want to generate more simultaneously, you will need the paid plan. If you try to generate more than 2 at once, it will ask you to wait until the previous generations are completed. If that happens, don't worry. We will use another free AI tool. Now let's move to the second free tool, which is Pixverse AI. Pixverse AI also provides free credits when you sign up. It gives you around 90 free credits, which allows you to create approximately 5 to 6 videos. If we talk about the interface, it also looks very beautiful, clean, and amazing. Now let me show you the process. Upload your fourth image. After uploading, select the image and confirm it. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the fourth video prompt, come back to Pixverse AI and paste the prompt. You will also see an option for audio generation, which uses 5 extra credits. I enable the audio option, then simply click on Generate. Within around 10 seconds, your video will be ready. Again, I will show all final results at the end. Repeat the same process for the 6th and remaining videos. Just wait a few moments while all videos finish generating. Now here is the final result. All our videos are generated successfully. If you look at the Digen AI results, you can see the cinematic camera style and smooth motion. The quality is very impressive. Digen AI does not compromise on quality and produces very beautiful videos. Now, if we look at the Pixverse AI results, you can see that it also generated videos with audio included. The scenes look very clean, smooth, and professional. In this way, I generated all the videos using these 2 free AI tools. Now the final step is video editing. First, download all the generated videos, then open CapCut on your PC. After opening CapCut, import the videos into your timeline. When you place the first video on the timeline, you may notice a watermark. To remove it, simply click on the video. Zoom in slightly on the video frame. After zooming in, adjust the frame so that the watermark is cropped out. Now guys, what you need to do next is very simple. In the same way, remove the watermark from all your videos one by one. After removing the watermark, make sure all clips are already placed on your timeline. You can also generate the voiceover script for your video. I explained in my previous video how to generate voiceovers, so you can follow that method as well. After that, simply add transitions between the clips. Simply export the video. And now, our final video is ready. So guys, are you ready to start earning? Even if you're not ready, get ready now, because this opportunity won't stay forever. If you delay, competition will become very high. And later, when you finally decide to, start earning will become much harder. So start now. Create a channel like this, make videos like this, upload consistently, and start earning from YouTube.